of life's raging seas. You calm my heart to find release. With every step your hand I trace, you lead me gently to your grace. You are my peace, my guiding light. Through every storm, you hold me tight. In quiet moments, I can see your love surrounds, it comforts me. When the world weighs heavy on my soul, your whispered promise makes me